Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add or remove Bluetooth icon from taskbar in Windows 10 PC. In case you want to remove Bluetooth icon from the Windows 10 taskbar, then click on this one show notification icon and then right click on the Bluetooth icon and click on this one remove icon button. This will remove Bluetooth icon from the taskbar, and in case you want to add it to the taskbar, click on this one start button and then click settings option. Then click on this one devices under Windows 10 settings. Select this one Bluetooth and other devices option in the left sidebar. On the extreme right under related settings, click on this one more Bluetooth options link. In the Bluetooth settings window, check this one option, show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area and click on this one apply button, then click on this one open button. This will enable Bluetooth icon in the notification area on Windows 10 PC. In case you want to permanently show the Bluetooth icon to the taskbar, click on this one notification icons arrow button and select the Bluetooth icon and drag it to the taskbar. It will permanently display Bluetooth icon on the Windows 10 taskbar.